Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, as you can see, alright, is the brake caliper. This brake caliper has seen better days, alright, and it's very old and the paint is gone. Right, so this is just a very simple DIY, right? And because I was thinking, should I change the calipers? Okay, but the thing is, the calipers cost a lot of money. Yeah, so for today, I actually found some of the spray paint that's lying in the storeroom. So I was thinking, why not I try to, spray paint it and makes it look better for the time being. Right, so we're going to show you how I do it. Okay, it's not the best method in the internet, the whole world. Okay, this is just a simple method. Okay, from me. Right, so guys, before we start, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll have more videos like this coming up. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to start the video. So let's go! Alright, so guys, that's the end of the DIY. I wouldn't say it's really easy, because there's a lot of steps, like putting your car on a stand, removing the wheel, and cleaning the brake caliper and spraying all the different stages of the paint. There's a few steps, like spraying the silver, the blue, and then the clear coat. Right, so there's a bit of waiting in between the coats, so that will take a bit of time. For those of you who have two stands, two jack stands and all this, it'll be much easier, because you can do two wheels concurrently, you'll be hopping from the front to the rear, here and there. You know what I mean. Right, so I only have one, and after this video, I'll be going to continue the rest of the calipers. Alright, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please remember to smash the like button, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, so stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye!